Hey guys, I just wanted to check in and just make a very quick video about what's expected of you this week. Um, this is just a reminder that we are not meeting in person this week because this week, Wednesday, will actually serve as a day to have Monday's classes. So because of that, we have an asynchronous week. So I'm just going to walk you through what I've posted. And then, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. So just a reminder, this is the homepage for our course. We will always be using modules. So if you click modules, it should lead you to where you need to be. So this was module 1. This is everything that we did last week. And module 2 is now posted. So let me just go through a couple of things with you. If you click on the week 2 agenda, I've just tried to give you what you need with due dates connected to it. So this is just a reminder that your proposal ideas, this is just a rough draft of your ideas, major problems that you'd like to focus on for your research for this course. You're going to post those by tomorrow night at midnight. There is a spot to do this. It is located in module 1. So just make sure that you're aware of that. Just going on to your responsibilities for this week. Last week, you should have watched the lecture on the job search assignment. It was just sort of explaining everything and going through everything with you. There is a weekly reading for this week. I do want you to read chapter 3 in the Magrino textbook. It just goes over resumes, cover letters, and what specifically is expected for this assignment. So I would definitely take a peek at that. At the close of the chapter, there are several student exemplars. I went over one in the video with you, but there are others if you just wanted to see another example of a cover letter or another example of a resume. You also want to read the Alred text. There's a couple of sections there. I've listed the page numbers for you. Some goals for this week and some other due dates. You will have your draft, and it's a rough draft of the job search assignment due Thursday by midnight. You will post that to a discussion thread. I will show you where that is. And then by Sunday, which is the 12th at midnight, you will peer edit, and there are instructions on that discussion thread. So let's just go back to modules and I will show you everything. Here's the peer review. It's listed as a discussion. So you will when you reply, you can upload an actual document just like this if you'd like, or you can copy and paste your 3 documents in there. Remember, you need 3 things. You need the resume, the cover letter, as well as the job posting. This must be uploaded, your draft, by Thursday at midnight. You must peer edit 3 other classmates' assignments by Sunday at midnight. So that gives you plenty of time to look at other people's assignments and to give them feedback. Try to be a responsible peer editor. This means a couple of things. 1, make sure if you see a student who has no feedback that you're going to them first. Next, I know we talked a lot about on day 1 how to be a good peer editor. So what I've done, just as an example, I've pasted an example of good peer editing. In addition to that, there is this document that I've uploaded, and I'm just going to open that quickly, if it will. This document here, just really goes over what makes you a good peer reviewer. And there's a lot of different questions that you can ask yourself in regards to the effectiveness of the assignment. So there are questions specifically for the resume. There are questions specifically for style, for the experience, for the layout, and all of that. So please make sure you're looking at that document just to kind of guide you on how to be a better peer editor. Just going back to modules, I have posted some extra documents that could be helpful for you. These are not mandatory, but they are helpful. So this is just the rubric for the job search assignment. This is a document that a colleague of mine made. It's just tips for writing the resume and cover letter. I recommend looking at that, especially if you feel like you're struggling. And then I also have these 2 worksheets that I've made myself. This is just a planning sheet. It helps you write an effective cover letter. So if you feel like you're the kind of person who is constantly writing or listing out experiences without bringing the reader into it and showing them why you might be really excellent at being a teacher or really excellent at project management, whatever it is you're trying to say. It helps you show and demonstrate your skills. Just as an example, I've filled one out just to sort of show you what it looks like and how that worksheet can help you. The final is not due yet. So this week is really focused on peer editing and thinking about your potential proposal topics. So please let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me. Next week, when I see you in person, we will be delving into the library session and we'll be talking a lot about that.